the realm of military aviation, the history of the B-2 stealth bomber is a fascinating tale of innovation, secrecy, and technological prowess. Before the advent of the B-2, aircraft used for bombing missions were primarily traditional bombers such as the B-52 Stratofortress and the B-1 Lancer. These aircraft were known for their sheer size and heavy payload capacity, but they lacked the ability to penetrate enemy defenses with stealth and precision. The development of the B-2 stealth bomber was driven by the need for a new type of aircraft that could evade enemy radar systems and deliver precision strikes deep inside hostile territory. The United States Air Force recognized the limitations of existing bombers in the face of evolving air defense systems, and thus the B-2 project was born. Key features that were expected from the B-2 stealth bomber included low observability, long-range capabilities, and the ability to deliver a variety of weapons with pinpoint accuracy. The B-2 was designed to be virtually invisible to enemy radar, allowing it to slip past defenses undetected. Its advanced avionics and guidance systems enabled it to strike targets with unparalleled accuracy, while its long range allowed it to reach distant targets without the need for in-flight refueling. The B-2 stealth bomber was built by Northrop Grumman Corporation, a leading aerospace and defense company with a long history of producing cutting-edge military aircraft. The development of the B-2 was shrouded in secrecy, with tight security protocols in place to protect the sensitive technology involved. The construction of the B-2 was a complex and challenging process, requiring the integration of advanced composite materials, stealth coatings, and highly sophisticated electronics. The B-2 stealth bomber represents a true feat of engineering and ingenuity, combining revolutionary stealth technology with unmatched combat capabilities. Its sleek, bat-wing design is instantly recognizable, and its black, radar-absorbing coating helps to minimize its visibility to enemy radar systems. Now we are going to present you more details about these key features. The development of the B-2 stealth bomber required the use of advanced materials and cutting-edge technologies to achieve its unique stealth capabilities. The materials used in the construction of the B-2 bomber were carefully selected to provide the necessary strength, durability, and stealth characteristics. One of the key materials used in the construction of the B-2 stealth bomber is composite materials, including carbon fiber composites. These materials are lightweight, yet incredibly strong, making them ideal for aircraft construction. The use of composite materials in the B-2 bomber reduces its weight, which in turn improves its fuel efficiency and range capabilities. Additionally, the use of carbon fiber composites helps to reduce the radar cross-section of the aircraft, making it less detectable by radar. Another important material used in the construction of the B-2 stealth bomber is radar-absorbing materials, RAM. These materials are designed to absorb and diffuse radar waves, reducing the aircraft's visibility on radar screens. By incorporating RAM into the structure of the B-2 bomber, engineers were able to minimize its radar signature and make it more difficult for enemy radar systems to detect. In addition to the materials used, the B-2 stealth bomber also relies on a number of advanced technologies to achieve its stealth capabilities. One such technology is the aircraft's shape, which features sharp angles and faceted surfaces that help to deflect radar waves away from the source. And utilizing technologies like advanced computer modeling and simulation, engineers were able to create a truly revolutionary aircraft that is nearly invisible to enemy radar systems. One of the most notable features of the B-2 bomber is its engine type. The aircraft is powered by 4 General Electric F-118 GE100 non-afterburning turbofan engines, giving it a unique combination of power and efficiency. These engines provide the B-2 bomber with the necessary thrust to carry out its missions effectively. With 4 engines working in tandem, the B-2 bomber is capable of generating a maximum thrust of 17,300 pounds per engine, totaling an impressive 69,200 pounds overall. This level of thrust allows the aircraft to achieve high speeds and perform complex maneuvers with ease. The B-2 bomber's fuel capacity is equally impressive, with the ability to carry up to 167,000 pounds of fuel. This large fuel capacity enables the aircraft to travel long distances without the need for frequent refueling stops, giving it unmatched range and endurance. In terms of range, the B-2 bomber can fly up to 6,000 nautical miles without refueling, making it ideal for long-distance missions and strategic operations. This extensive range allows the aircraft to reach targets deep within enemy territory and return safely to base. Despite its size and weight, the B-2 bomber is capable of carrying a maximum payload of 40,000 pounds. This payload capacity enables the aircraft to carry a wide range of weapons and ordnance, making it a versatile and formidable weapon system. In terms of weapons compatibility, the B-2 bomber is designed to carry a variety of precision-guided munitions, including DAMs, B-61 nuclear bombs, and GBU-28 bunker busters. With its internal bomb bays, the aircraft can carry up to 8,500-pound dams or 16 nuclear bombs, giving it unmatched firepower and precision strike capabilities. The B-2 bomber is a truly remarkable aircraft with impressive specifications that set it apart from other military aircraft. With its advanced engine technology, extensive fuel capacity, long range, high payload capacity, and compatibility with a variety of weapons, the B-2 bomber is a vital asset to the United States Air Force and a symbol of cutting-edge military technology. The B-2 bomber is a remarkable aircraft that has been involved in numerous iconic missions at the master level, showcasing its advanced capabilities and strategic importance on the battlefield. Some of the most important missions the B-2 bomber has participated in have taken place in various locations around the world, demonstrating its flexibility and effectiveness in a wide range of combat scenarios. One of the most notable missions carried out by the B-2 bomber was during the Kosovo War in 1999. The B-2 bomber was used to conduct precision airstrikes against key targets in Serbia, including military installations and infrastructure. These strikes played a crucial role in weakening the Serbian military and forcing them to withdraw from Kosovo, ultimately leading to the end of the conflict. Another iconic mission that the B-2 bomber was involved in was the Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan in 2001. The B-2 bomber was used to deliver devastating airstrikes against Taliban and al-Qaeda targets, including cave complexes and training camps. The precision and stealth capabilities of the B-2 bomber allowed it to strike with accuracy and effectiveness, helping to degrade the enemy's capabilities and support ground forces in their operations. In 2011, the B-2 bomber was again called upon to participate in a critical mission during Operation Odyssey Dawn in Libya. The B-2 bomber conducted strikes against key targets, including air defense systems and command centers, in support of the international coalition's efforts to protect civilians and enforce a no-fly zone. The B-2 bomber's precision and firepower were instrumental in achieving the coalition's objectives and neutralizing enemy threats. The B-2 bomber has also been involved in missions closer to home, such as in the fight against drug trafficking organizations in South America. The B-2 bomber was used to conduct surveillance missions and provide support to law enforcement agencies in their efforts to disrupt and dismantle drug smuggling operations. The B-2 bomber's stealth capabilities and long-range reconnaissance capabilities made it a valuable asset in tracking and monitoring illegal activities in remote areas. Overall, the B-2 bomber has proven to be a versatile and effective aircraft in a variety of missions, demonstrating its ability to deliver precision strikes and support ground forces in combat operations. Iconic missions in Kosovo, Afghanistan, Libya, and South America have showcased its strategic importance and effectiveness in achieving military objectives. The B-2 bomber continues to be a critical asset in the United States arsenal, providing unmatched capabilities on the battlefield and contributing to the nation's security and defense. The B-2 stealth bomber, also known as the B-2 Spirit, is a formidable aircraft that has been a key component of the United States Air Force's arsenal for decades. With its advanced stealth technology and ability to deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons, the B-2 bomber is a force to be reckoned with. However, even the most advanced aircraft are not immune to accidents and mishaps. Over the years, there have been instances where B-2 bombers have been lost, whether due to mechanical failure, pilot error, or other unforeseen circumstances. One of the most notable incidents involving a lost B-2 bomber occurred on February 23, 2008, when a B-2 Spirit crashed on Guam during a training mission. The aircraft, which was part of the 393rd Bomb Squadron, was flying from Andersen Air Force Base when it went down shortly after takeoff. The crash resulted in the loss of the aircraft and both pilots on board. An investigation later revealed that the crash was caused by moisture in the sensors of the aircraft's control system, which led to an incorrect readout of the aircraft's orientation. This tragic incident serves as a reminder of the risks and challenges that come with flying such advanced aircraft. Another B-2 bomber was lost on January 18, 2010, when a B-2 Spirit crashed on the runway at Andersen Air Force Base in Guam. The aircraft was attempting to land after a routine training mission when the nose gear collapsed, causing the aircraft to skid off the runway and catch fire. Although the crew was able to safely eject from the aircraft before the crash, the B-2 bomber was extensively damaged and deemed irreparable. The cause of the crash was determined to be a malfunction in the aircraft's landing gear system, highlighting the importance of proper maintenance and thorough pre-flight checks. In a more recent incident, on May 19, 2020, a B-2 stealth bomber crashed during a training mission over Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri. The aircraft, which was part of the 509th Bomb Wing, experienced a catastrophic engine failure shortly after takeoff, forcing the pilot to eject from the aircraft. Fortunately, the pilot was able to escape with only minor injuries, but the B-2 bomber was lost in the crash. The investigation into the incident revealed that the engine failure was caused by a faulty component that had gone undetected during routine maintenance checks. By the way, while the B-2 stealth bomber is a formidable and advanced aircraft, it is not immune to accidents and mishaps. Over the years, there have been instances where B-2 bombers have been lost due to mechanical failure, pilot error, and other unforeseen circumstances. These incidents serve as a reminder of the risks and challenges that come with operating such complex and technologically advanced aircraft. As the United States Air Force continues to use the B-2 stealth bomber in its missions, it is crucial to prioritize safety, maintenance, and training to prevent future losses of these valuable aircraft. They expect to use B-2 until 2030, and new development of B-21 will take place of B-2 in near future. We will get you another video about B-21.